I'm totally surprised how the hospitals and doctors have changed. Used to be you go to your own doctor, your family doctor, and he'd check you out. My old doctor used to tell me to keep a log of my blood sugars and bring that along next visit, or keep a diary of my blood pressure readings, bring that along, see how I'm doing. Now they don't check any of that. They check your blood pressure at the visit, but how are they supposed to know how you're doing on it if you don't check it regularly? So at the hospital, I guess they don't go to the hospitals anymore, at least the hospital I was at. Your family doctor doesn't go visit you every morning at 7 o'clock. The doctors that are associated with the hospital, and they're all specialists now. And some of them just come in and say, "Good morning, how are you today?" and leave, and probably get a piece of the pie from that. I mean, it's the best care possible, I know, but I was just like, how things have changed. You go to emergency room, you go to urgent care, they send you to the emergency room. From there, they decide if you're going to go up as an inpatient. If you're going in as observation, they charge you more. Medicare charges you more until they decide to check you in. Then you go under 20% copay, I guess it is, for a hospital visit. But I was just wondering if other people have dealt with that. Looks like the good old days are gone. You can't get in to see your doctor for weeks. That's why they send you to urgent care. And urgent care is only capable of handling emergency. And then you still have to go back to your doctor. So I got good care, but I was surprised by all this mix-up